When you look up at the night sky, ever wonder why the US seems to have the brightest stars in its eyes when it comes to space exploration? Is it just about throwing money at rockets, or is there something more? From planting the first footprints on the moon with the Apollo missions to roving across the surface of Mars, from the mind-blowing images of the James Webb Space Telescope to SpaceX landing rockets back on their launch pads, America has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in space. So, what's the secret sauce? Over the next few minutes, we'll unpack the reasons behind America's dominance in space, from the historical events that set the stage to the massive investments and the spirit of innovation that keeps them at the forefront. We'll also look at the role of ambition, global collaboration, and even the strategic importance of space. Get ready for launch. To understand America's current leadership, we need to rewind the cosmic clock to the mid-20th century, a time of geopolitical tension and unprecedented technological advancement. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik in 1957, igniting the space race. This event spurred the US to pour resources into its space program. NASA was formed in 1958, consolidating America's space ambitions. The Apollo program aimed to land humans on the moon. Neil Armstrong's first steps in 1969 were a giant leap for humankind. It was a significant victory for the US in the space race. The Apollo program spurred countless technological innovations from rocketry to computing power. The momentum continued with robotic exploration of our solar system. Mars rovers have been beaming back invaluable data for decades, paving the way for future human missions. This early lead, fueled by Cold War competition, gave the US a significant head start in space exploration, a head start that continues to pay dividends today. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the rocket on the launch pad. Space exploration is not cheap. It requires massive investment, and the US has consistently put its money where its mouth is. NASA's annual budget, while a fraction of the overall federal budget, is still substantial. In 2023, it received over $25 billion. That's more than the space agencies of Europe, Russia, Japan, and India combined. This funding allows NASA to invest in cutting-edge research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's technologically feasible. From developing new propulsion systems and spacecraft designs to creating advanced robotics and life support systems for future human missions, NASA's investment in technology is an investment in the future of space exploration. But it's not just about building bigger and better rockets. A significant portion of NASA's budget goes towards scientific research, funding missions that study our planet, our solar system, and the universe beyond. This includes everything from Earth-observing satellites that monitor climate change to space telescopes that peer into the distant past, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. This sustained investment in space exploration has created a virtuous cycle. It has fostered a highly skilled workforce, attracted top talent from around the world, and spurred innovation in countless industries beyond aerospace. Think about it, technologies originally developed for space exploration like GPS, satellite communication, and even memory foam have become ubiquitous in our everyday lives. These spin-offs demonstrate the tangible benefits of investing in space exploration, benefits that extend far beyond the scientific realm. In recent decades, a new player has emerged on the cosmic stage, shaking things up and injecting a fresh dose of innovation into the space industry, the private sector. And nowhere is this more evident than in the United States. Companies like SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, and Blue Origin, led by Jeff Bezos, have revolutionized the way we think about space travel. They've brought a Silicon Valley mindset to the final frontier, emphasizing efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and reusability. SpaceX, with its Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, has dramatically lowered the cost of launching payloads into orbit. Their reusable rocket technology, a game-changer in the industry, allows them to refly rocket boosters and spacecraft, making spaceflight more affordable and accessible. Blue Origin is also developing reusable rockets, with a focus on space tourism, and eventually establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. Their vision is to create a road to space that will open up opportunities for future generations. But it's not just about competition. NASA has embraced partnerships with private companies, recognizing their agility and innovation. This collaboration has led to the development of new spacecraft, like SpaceX's Crew Dragon, which transports astronauts to and from the International Space Station. This unique ecosystem, where government agencies and private companies work together, has become a hallmark of the American approach to space exploration. It's a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit and the culture of innovation that thrives in the U.S. Chapter 4. Daring to Dream, Big Ambition and Global Leadership. Beyond the rockets and the budgets, there's another crucial ingredient in America's spacefaring success ambition. The U.S. has consistently set bold goals, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Apollo program, with its goal of landing humans on the moon, is a prime example. It galvanized a nation and led to one of humanity's greatest achievements. Today, that same spirit of ambition is alive and well. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon and test technologies for Mars. Mars has become the ultimate goal for many space agencies and private companies. The U.S. is leading the charge, developing technologies for human missions to Mars. America's leadership in space is also about international collaboration. The U.S. works with partners worldwide to advance our understanding of the cosmos. The International Space Station is a symbol of what humanity can achieve together. Chapter 5. The High Ground Space and Strategic Importance. Now, let's address the elephant in the, low Earth orbit. Space is not just about science and exploration. It also has significant strategic and military implications, and the U.S., recognizing this reality, has taken steps to maintain its dominance in this domain. The establishment of the United States Space Force in 2019 as a separate branch of the military underscores the growing importance of space and national security. The Space Force is tasked with protecting U.S. interests in space, including satellites that are critical for communication, navigation, and surveillance. Satellites play a vital role in our modern world, enabling everything from GPS navigation and satellite TV to weather forecasting and climate monitoring. They also provide essential intelligence gathering capabilities, allowing the U.S. to monitor global events and potential threats. The U.S. military relies heavily on space-based assets for communication, reconnaissance, and targeting. Space dominance allows the U.S. to project power globally and maintain a technological edge over its adversaries. However, this dominance is not unchallenged. Other nations, including China and Russia, are rapidly developing their own space capabilities, raising concerns about a new space race and the potential for militarization of space. The U.S. faces the challenge of balancing its national security interests with the need for international cooperation in space. It's a delicate balancing act, but one that is crucial for ensuring the peaceful and sustainable use of space for all humankind. Chapter 6. The Future of Space, a Shared Journey Among the Stars. So, there you have it. The U.S. leads in space exploration because of a confluence of factors: a historical head start, sustained investment, a thriving private sector, bold ambition, international collaboration, and a recognition of the strategic importance of space. But it's not just about dominance. America's leadership in space has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers around the world. It has pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity and expanded our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's a future that we will write together. As we venture further into the cosmos, we'll face new challenges and make new discoveries that will benefit all of humankind. The U.S., with its experience, resources, and unwavering spirit of exploration, will undoubtedly continue to play a leading role in this grand adventure. But the ultimate goal is not just to be the first or the best, it's to inspire, to innovate, and to explore the universe for the betterment of humanity. So what do you think? Will another country challenge the USA's dominance, or is the future of space about working together? Let me know in the comments. And as always, keep looking up. We've journeyed from the Cold War to the dawn of commercial spaceflight, from the lunar surface to the search for life beyond Earth. And what have we learned? That the drive to explore, to push beyond the known, is deeply ingrained in the human spirit. The U.S. has certainly mastered many of the tools and strategies for space exploration, but the cosmos belongs to everyone. The future will likely be less about one nation leading and more about a symphony of global collaboration, each country contributing its unique strengths and perspectives. Who knows what wonders await us out there? New discoveries, new technologies, maybe even new neighbors in the vast cosmic ocean. One thing's for sure. The quest to explore the universe is just beginning, and it's a journey we're all on together. Keep looking up.